Now, may I invite Shiva Santosh sir for further proceedings of the evening.
Thank you, Anushka. Thank you very much, Bharti ma'am, Ritika, and Arav. It was indeed a comprehensive overview of the school's achievements and activities. I am here now with the most awaited moment of the event, the felicitation ceremony. I am filled with pride and elation to celebrate the astounding achievements of our students in the All India Secondary School Examinations 23-24. Hard work, determination, and commitment to doing what is right will ultimately reap rewards. Here at DSE, we are committed to recognizing and celebrating the remarkable achievements of our students. Their diligence, dedication, and perseverance have been instrumental in shaping their academic journeys, and we are proud to acknowledge their efforts. To acknowledge the academic excellence and serve as motivation for the students of grade 10 appearing for the board examinations, DSC management has initiated endowment awards in memory of our founder chairman, Shri P. Madhusudan Rao. Today, we honor our school toppers for their outstanding academic performance and commitment to excellence in the recently concluded grade 10 AISSC examinations conducted by CBSE. May I now invite our esteemed chief guest, Rear Admiral R. Vishwanathan, to do the honors of felicitating our achievers. I also call upon all the dignitaries to join our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come to announce the name of our school topper. She exemplifies excellence through her diligence, courtesy, attention to detail, and self-driven nature. Notably, she has demonstrated a remarkable ability to strike a seamless balance between academic rigor and extracurricular pursuits, illustrating her exceptional versatility and commitment to all-round excellence. Put your hands together to welcome the one and only Abhinandana Pendyala. With an epic overall score of 98.2%, Abhinandana stands as the school topper. She will be felicitated with Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award comprising a certificate of appreciation, memento, and a cash award of Rs 15,000. Many congratulations, Abhinandana. You are an inspiration to others. May God bless you always. We are very sure you will have many more of your success stories in future as well. Next in line, Mudit Srivastava is a shining example of humility, determination, and intellectual curiosity. With an impressive overall score of 97%, he has secured the second highest position in the school. Throughout his academic journey, Mudit has consistently demonstrated exceptional computational knowledge. In recognition of his outstanding achievements, Mudit is being honored with the prestigious Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, which includes a certificate of appreciation, a memento, and a cash prize of Rs 10,000. The school community congratulates you, Mudit, and wishes you continued success and excellence in all your future academic endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce that not one or two, but 3 students have scored the third highest aggregate marks in the school with an impressive score of 96.4%. So please join me in congratulating these meritorious students. First and foremost is the shining star of excellence. It is our pleasure to recognize Amya Vashisht, an outstanding student who has demonstrated an unrelenting pursuit of academic excellence. Through her diligent efforts, she has achieved an impressive score of 96.4%, securing the third highest position. In acknowledgement of her remarkable achievement, we proudly present her with the esteemed Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award comprising a merit certificate, a memento and a cash prize of Rs 5,000. Please join us in congratulating Amya Vashisht with a warm applause. Her accomplishments are a testament to her dedication and perseverance, and we wish her continued success in all her future pursuits. Please join me in giving a hearty round of applause as we honor Mahavish Fatima with Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, which includes a certificate, a memento, and a cash prize of 5,000. Mahavish Fatima is a truly exceptional student who has achieved a stellar score of 96.4%. Her outstanding academic accomplishment is a shining testament to her unwavering devotion, unrelenting resolution and passion for academic excellence. Mahavish, your remarkable achievement serves as a powerful inspiration to your fellow students and a source of immense pride for our entire school community. We extend our warmest congratulations to you on your outstanding performance and wish you continued success in all your future quests. Next, I would like to call upon Satyamandeep Yalamanchali, a versatile and accomplished student who has excelled in both academic and extracurricular pursuits. With an impressive score of 96.4%, he has secured the third highest aggregate score in the school. In recognition of his outstanding achievement, Satyamandeep is being honored with this prestigious Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, which includes a merit certificate, a memento, and a cash prize of Rs 5,000. Congratulations, Satyamandeep. We are proud of your accomplishments and wish you continued success. We are greatly indebted to our management for recognizing and acknowledging the individual subject toppers for their academic excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to now call upon the top performers in each subject to come forward to receive their well-deserved recognition. Known for their versatility and ingenuity over the English language, Abhinandana Pendyala and Mudit Srivastava have secured a stupendous 98%. Please give them a big round of applause. They are being presented with Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, Certificate of Appreciation, and cash prize of Rs 3,000 each. Keep it up, students. Congratulations for your outstanding achievement. In the field of Hindi, achieving the perfect score of 100%, we have Mohammad Ayan Hasmani. He has amply proved that actions speak louder than words. He will now be presented with the Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, Certificate of Appreciation, and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Believe it or not, scoring a perfect 100 on 100 in any language is no mean achievement. Hearty congratulations, Ayan. Indeed, we are very proud of you. I feel privileged to announce to the audience the excellent performance of Gagan Pawan, who has scored 96% in Telugu. With a keen focus on academic excellence, Gagan, you have been consistently striving to improve your performance. Hearty congratulations to you, Gagan. He is being presented with Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, Certificate of Appreciation and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Kudos Gagan, great going. We now come to the subject of Urdu. With a thunderous applause, please welcome Sayyida Madiha, who has scored 96%. Madiha, with your passion for learning and meticulously overcoming your shortcomings, well, we appreciate you for all your hard work. She is now being presented with Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, Certificate of Appreciation and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Well done, Madiha. We are immensely proud of your hard work and dedication. We now have Abhinandana Pendyala and Divit Jain coming up to be acknowledged for a remarkable achievement of being the toppers in the subject of French, scoring a perfect 100 by 100. Dear Abhinandana and Divit, you have proved yourself not only being the heads of the school, but also the masters of your subjects. They are being presented with Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation and a cash prize of Rs 3,000 each. Congratulations, Abhinandana and David. Now moving on to the math wizards of the school are yet again Mudit Srivastava and Satya Manideep Yalamanchali for scoring a whopping 99%. They have proved that for every problem there is a solution and always made math easy. Please step forward to collect Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, Certificate of Appreciation and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Mudit and Satya, you have yet again proved that hard work and dedication never go in vain. Please put your hands together once again for Abhinandana Pendyala, who has scored 98%, the highest mark in science. She believes that hard work and smart work go hand in hand, which has proven in her remarkable achievement. She is presented with Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, Certificate of Appreciation and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Hearty congratulations, Abhinandana. Last but definitely not the least are the toppers in the subject of social science. Please welcome yet again Satya Manideep and Navya Toshniwal. Dear students, your ability to recall and retain will always come in handy during your times. They deserve a thunderous round of applause for securing an outstanding 99%. They are being presented with Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, Certificate of Appreciation and a cash prize of Rs 3,000 each. Hearty congratulations, Satya and Navya. May I request all the subject toppers to come onto the dais for a photograph. All the subject toppers. Satya, wait here. May I call all the subject toppers? All the subject toppers. Flawless moments being preserved through the lens. We take a moment to fondly remember and honor the memory of late Miss Padmavati, our former IT head. Her instrumental role in nurturing the IT department from its infancy to its current excellence will always be cherished and remembered. She was at the forefront of her technological advancements and left an inedible mark on the very foundation of our IT department. This award is more than just a token of recognition. It stands as a testament to the values of innovation, leadership, and excellence that Ms. Padmavati embodied throughout her remarkable career at DSC. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to her family for instituting this endowment award in her memory, allowing her legacy and connection to this institution to flourish. As part of the selection process, a rigorous screening test comprising both theory and practical components we conducted last month to identify and recognizing students with exceptional potential in the field of information technology. Before announcing the result, may I invite Ms. Veena, IT Head, DSC Group of Institutions, to join the dignitaries on the dais. Although 66 students from grade 10 participated in the first round, that is the theory round, based on their performance in the first round, out of 66 students, 9 students were selected for the final round, that is the practical round. And now is the time to announce the topper of the test, the student who competed against 9 finalists and stood. The winner for the award is Arav Nagar of grade 10B. May we request the dignitaries to give away the IT Endowment Award instituted in memory of Ms. Padmavati to the proud recipient Arav Nagar. He is being awarded a cash prize of rupees 7,500, a certificate of merit and a memento. Indeed a proud moment for him. Hearty congratulations Arav and best wishes for the future. I now move on to the next segment of awards. As we celebrate the achievements of our grade 10 students, we are proud to recognize the exceptional talents and efforts of our present batch. Every year, we honor the best orator, best sportsperson, and best outgoing students who have consistently demonstrated exceptional public speaking skills, athletics pursuits, and exceptional academic achievements, respectively. It is our pleasure to announce the winner of the Best Orator Award, a student who embodies the perfect blend of eloquence and persuasion with a gentle yet powerful voice and a demeanor that exudes confidence. Ritika Joyce of Grade 10A has won our hearts. Ritika, please join us on stage to receive your well-deserved certificate. Let us acknowledge her outstanding achievement with a resounding applause. Congratulations to you, Ritika, and her proud parents on this remarkable feat. As we celebrate the outstanding talents among us, it's time to reveal the winner of the prestigious Best Sports Achiever Award. Please join us in congratulating Kushi Rai of Grade 10B, whose unwavering dedication and passion for sports have not only earned her this recognition, but also brought laurels to DSC Banjara Hills, leading our school to numerous district-level victories. We are delighted to declare that the best outgoing student for the academic year 24-25 is the much talented Sama Subani. With her exceptional academic record and impressive extracurricular achievements, she has demonstrated her versatility and prowess. Her dedication, humility, and determination have earned her this well-deserved recognition. Please join us in applauding her outstanding efforts and accomplishments. Congratulations, Sama. May I call Arav Kushi onto the desk? Our dear parents have an unmatched contribution in the success of the achievers. They have not only encouraged their wards to excel in all school activities, but also inculcated in them the values that are so essential in character building. They have wholeheartedly collaborated with the school and teachers at every turn, thus becoming absolutely essential stakeholders in the success of students and the school alike. Thank you, dear parents. Thank you, dignitaries.